How to use Page Builder with a multi-language site. So let's look at what we're going to do. Install and enable languages, create pages, create menus, duplicate templates, enable language plugins, and create a language switcher module. So after you've configured your PHP variables, you've changed your htaccess text file to .htaccess, and you've changed other settings according to the documentation, then we're ready for number 1. You install and enable the languages. In this example, there are 3 languages. Number 2, create pages. Here we have homepage, an about, contact, and service pages. The language is set to all. What we're going to do is make a copy of the homepage for each language. For the English homepage, we're going to change the title to something we recognize for the English language, and do the same for each language. Then, we're going to set the publishing options to each respective language. Number 3, create menus. Start by making a new menu for each language. The description should include an abbreviation recognizable for each language. Once that's done, point the menu to a page you created with Page Builder. For the English home menu, point it to the English home page that you created with Page Builder and change the language accordingly. You'll see the country's flag once this page is set as the default or feature page. Repeat the same for each language. Number 4, duplicate the templates for each language. For the first copy, change the name, set the default language, and then go to the template options. In the navigation drop-down, select the corresponding language you created as a menu and set the menu type. Save and close. Do the same for each language. Number 5, enable the language filter plugin. Joomshaper recommends setting the language selection for new visitors to site language. Number 6, create a new module and choose the language switcher. Give it a position and assign the module to all pages. Now you can go to the front end and see the flags that will switch the language menu item for that country. The Arabic language reads from right to left, so the menu is found on the opposite end of the page. To edit on the front end, go to the home page that is set to all languages, and you can start editing. If you have any difficulty, it doesn't hurt to start your troubleshooting by clearing your Joomla and browser cache, and disabling your CSS and Java files in the Helix Ultimate template. That's it. Thank you for using Page Builder.